Guys, it's Trista with Main Street Florist. Today I'm going to show you how to take some Galax leaves and we're going to turn those into a rosette. So I'm going to show you two different ways today. The first is pretty easy. You can do it at home with a stapler. The second is going to be a little bit more advanced, which you would need some florist wire and tape for.
Start by laying out 8 to 9 Galax leaves from smallest to largest. Start with a small Galax leaf and roll it inside itself into a little cone. Take your stapler and secure it at the base of the leaves. Grab a second small leaf and you're going to start to accordion fold that leaf right next to your first cone. Once you feel like you've got it in a good place, you can also secure that with your stapler. Repeat this step 2 or 3 more times depending on the fullness of your rosette. You're going to keep accordion folding and building around that first cone, securing each one with a staple. Now you can take your largest leaves and begin to build a collar around that original rosette. Building slowly from one side to the other, when it starts to look a little bit like a frilled lizard or a bearded dragon, you're heading in the right direction. Now that your rosette is complete, you could staple the entire bunch together, or we would recommend florist tape that you can secure all your stems to create one unified stem to place into your arrangement. Once it's secure with the florist tape, it does give you a little bit of flexibility to adjust your leaves and fluff out your rosette a little bit more. Now we're going to show you the same technique using wire. Lay out your Galax leaves again, smallest to largest, and starting with the smallest leaf, roll it into a cone. You're going to take a piece of wire. We recommend a thin gauge wire, 22 to 23 gauge, and you're going to pierce through the leaf that will hold the entire cone in place. Bend down the wire like you're giving it a stem. Then you're going to take your next leaf and start to accordion fold next to it. We're going to continue to accordion fold leaves around that original cone to create the rosette. And once you have 3 or 4 leaves placed around it, you're going to take another wire and pierce through to secure all of them into place. Using wire to secure your rosette is going to be a much stronger mechanic than the staples. If you're a professional florist and you're using this in arrangement for a customer, this is definitely the way we would recommend going about it. Now you can take your largest leaves and create a collar working around that rosette. Here you can use between 3 to 5 leaves depending on how large you like your rosette to be. Once you're happy with the position, take your florist tape and secure all of the stems and the wire together to create one unified stem that can go into your arrangement. Here we're showing both rosettes, the stapled versions on the left and the wired version on the right. Happy designing!